Yo, peep it. Max J, yeah. 218, not rehearsed, off the top. Fuck with it, bitch. Yeah, check it. Bitch, you don't want none of this. I'ma come with it. Hold up. Don't forget it. 218. Red Lake. Cash like B-Town. Everybody in this state. Yeah, everybody know. Juggalos be in this bitch every single day. You don't wanna play with us, just run away. Cause you don't wanna hear nothing that I got to say. If I break the fuck wanna spray, I just spray and let you bitches lay down on the motherfucking ground. I'm a clown. I'ma fuck around, come to your town. I'ma rip a couple heads off, I'ma chop them off and throw them in the pile of the dead corpses. Every day, every pile, everybody building up. Goddamn, this nigga sick as fuck. Cause just wanna come test your luck, just get stuck and don't wanna hit it. Nah, nigga, just fucking forget it. Cause you don't wanna just come up missing. Bitch ass nigga, you bullshitting. Everybody know we still spitting. Everybody know we still getting licks left, right. Everybody know we do this shit every fucking night. Every day, yeah, we don't play. Check it out, yo, listen to my mouth, bitch. If you don't like this shit, then just hit fast forward or just rewind the shit, yeah. Cause you know I don't intend to be it. Fuck y'all niggas, man. Yeah. Off the top, I'ma just come to your block and just wreck shop. Let off a couple shots in your face. You know my name is Matt Sace. I'm running this race in first place. You niggas don't want none of this. Smack you in the face, yeah, how that taste, you dumb bitch, ho. Don't wanna fuck with this juggalo, cause you know I got my bros too with me. Everybody wanna come hit me, come get me. If you niggas really know how to get me, what you tryna say? What you tryna do? You ain't fucking real, you ain't fucking true. You a fake homeboy, you a phony. Nah, nigga, I don't wanna be your homie. I'm a motherfucking lonely bitch. I'm a motherfucking one solo dolo shit. Everybody wanna be on my nutsack, bitch. Just blow it in. Yeah, fuck that. Everybody wanna just dust pass. I'ma keep fucking busting these raps off my ass. I just don't wanna talk about that. Oh, what you gotta say? I ain't tryna hear that neither, bro. Yeah, it come up with ya. No, I keep it evil, yeah, fuck y'all, fuck it, I'ma just leave it like that, and you know my name, man, add an E, add an H, add an E and a W when you say that fucking shit too, no, my shit's true. I don't care if your shit's blue. I come through ripping off my red shit. Cause y'all niggas how we could do. Yeah.